Hello, it's time for another Glossybox unboxing. This is for the April box. To be honest, I've already looked through it because I needed to know what makeup can I put on, what, stuff is inside, just in case I need to try something before my makeup. And yes, I actually had to try something before my makeup, but let's show you. So the box comes like this. It always has this cute leaflet telling you what's inside, the prices and everything. So the theme of this month is Wake Up in Spring. It looks like this, and inside you have a list of the products and the prices. Then I'm gonna make a bit of a noise and let's start taking everything out. The first product I've already tried and I'm gonna insert a video of me trying it is this one, a face cleanser from Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. It's the ultra gentle botanical face cleansing gel, morning dew, and it just has the ingredients on the back. I think this is a sample, pretty sure this is a sample. It's a deluxe size sample, and the price for it, the full size one, which is 200 milliliters, is $18.29, and this sample is only $1.98, which I think is really good. For example, like for traveling, this can be really good. What I like about it is the smell. It smells really nice. It's not the most foamy cleanser, but I don't mind that. It actually cleans your face. As I said, the smell is like incredible. And now that I have my makeup on after my skincare routine and everything, I really like the way the foundation sits on my face. So I'm pretty sure this really helped as well, because it actually cleansed my face really good. Then another product that I tried before applying my makeup is a skincare product. It's the Cosmos Natural Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream with hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon and apple extract. I really like the sound of it, just because it has the word coffee in there. This one again, it smells really fresh. I think that's like the theme of this box as well, like something really fresh. You just like look at this photo and you know what I mean. It just says at the back, special formula with hyaluronic acid which helps to retain moisture. How to use: apply small dabs and gently massage into the skin. So yeah, I really like this as well. This is again, I think this is a full size product, and the price for it is $4.77. Not bad at all. Okay, so I have two makeup products and something else that's not a makeup product, but I can't use it now and I can't show you because it's a bath salt. It's the -417. I've heard of this brand, but I'm not exactly sure if they're -417 or 417. I don't know exactly how to say it. It is a vegan one, which I love. It's called Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salt. The back, let's see what it says. Relaxing and pampering salt with cosmetic effects, enriched with minerals from the Dead Sea, grants your skin a refreshing and smooth feeling. Use instructions: apply 2 full spoons into the bath, allow to dissolve. This is more than 2 full spoons, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna use it for longer, for more than just one bath. The price for this is a deluxe size, so it's not the full size one. The deluxe mini bag, which is 100 grams, what I have here, is £2.17, not bad at all. And the full size, which is 500 grams, is $10.24. I'm gonna link everything down below, so if you want to buy and have a look at all these products, I'm gonna have them linked down below. And also I'm gonna have the Glossybox website as well, so you can read and see if you like to subscribe to one of their boxes, because it's a really good service. I really like it. Okay, So now, you know me, because I do a lot of makeup and I love makeup, I enjoy makeup. I'm really excited when I have makeup products in my boxes. I'm excited for the skincare as well. But I don't know, when I have too much skincare, I'm just, oh, it wasn't that good. Even though I love the products, but I need some makeup inside, sorry. It's just me, it's just the way I like things. Because I enjoy makeup too much. This is a brand I've never heard of. This one right here. I think it's Downtown Paris. Botanical extract of Marubium vulgar for your natural skin tone. It is a cream blush, and I'm really happy because I told you before I really love cream blushes these days, and it's all I use. So the price for it, this is a full-size product, which for a cream blush I think this is a lot. The price for it is $19.58. So let's apply it. I'm gonna use another product I got in one of my Glossybox, in one of my glossy boxes. I'm gonna link the video, so if you want to watch it. It's the Marshbox. Oops. This is the color. It looks a bit too dark, but I think if I blend it, it's gonna be really nice. It is. Look. It seems really easy to blend, to be honest. I'm just going to tap my sponge in there, and then I'm gonna apply it directly on my face. I think it's a peachy color, and I think it dries really quick, so you have to work really fast with it. Yep, it's already dry. Okay, doesn't seem to move. I'm going to try to apply it with a brush as well next time, but because I always apply my cream brushes with a sponge, I thought I would stick to what I usually do. See, I think it's really hard to move it while you apply it, because it dries really quick. I find it hard to, and I don't want to remove the foundation under it, which I kind of did. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna take my shirt off because it's really hot inside. Yeah, I don't know exactly what to say. I'm not the... Let's see. It looks really good on this side, but the other side... I removed my foundation here. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see, because I tried to blend it. See, like right here. I'm gonna try to fix it somehow. And this is the other side. Let's apply it directly on our face. Just a small dot. And then blend it. Yeah, at least I covered the foundation I removed. See, like right where I applied it, it literally stays there even if I'm trying to blend it. It looks like a plop. I need to stop. I'm gonna ruin my face makeup if I don't. Okay, so the next product is this eyeshadow palette. Look how cute the packaging is. I'm gonna keep you zoomed in because I'm gonna do my eye makeup and I want it to be close when I do that. This is a Sophia and Mabel, Sophia plus Mabel, and this is a full-size product. It's good for traveling, but it's small. And the retail price for it is £25. Some pinkish shades, like really good for spring, not gonna lie. Nice shades, but they're really small. Anyway, let's try and see. I think they're all shimmery, to be honest. I'm gonna start with this shade here. Do they have a name? No, they don't have a name. Okay, I'm gonna start with this shade on a blending brush. I'm gonna apply it in my crease. Are you serious? It's not the most pigmented eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch it so you can see. It is a really like soft pastelish and shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm trying to apply it in my crease, so probably that's why it looks like this. I'm just gonna put this shade that seems to be matte. Yeah, this shade is matte. But gonna try to apply it here. For someone that doesn't wear too much makeup, it can be a nice palette, especially like if you like a soft eye. But I don't know, I usually like something with more pigment, and these are not exactly the colors I go for. I was so excited for this makeup product, but honestly, I'm not sure I'm a big fan of these two. The last box though was really good. I loved that one. I'm actually still using the primer. I have it on my face now from my last box, and I'm gonna use the mascara as well today. So yeah, I just used the sponge. I literally used everything from that box, and I'm trying to mix these two colors to, you know. Gonna take a smaller brush that's not clean, but it doesn't have excess eyeshadow on it, if it makes sense, because I used the tissue before. And I am going to apply this shade right here. This seems to be more pigmented, and it has a fallout as well. So yeah, it is a bit more pigmented than the other ones, and obviously it's a darker shade, so it makes sense. I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner, and then I'm gonna come with a blending brush. Again, it doesn't look clean, but I made sure I wiped it before. Gonna take this shade and blend it with the brown. I think it is a dark brown. Yeah, it's not my favorite. Literally, I'm ruining like all my face makeup now because I have fallout here as well. And if I remove the fallout by doing this, then I don't have enough pigment to work with. Usually I don't mind the fallout now either, but for a palette that's 25 pounds, it has the fallout, not enough pigmentation, and it's really small. I don't know what to say. Never heard of this brand before, to be honest. If you did and you like them, I'm sorry. Maybe they have other products that are better than this, but I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I am going to apply a bit of this dark shade under my eyes as well, just to darken my look, because it was a bit meh. The shades are pretty cute, to be honest. They're really springy, can't complain about that. You just need to have a lot of patience to work with these eyeshadows, because once you do, like, as you can tell, like, it looks really cute and soft. But I am going to take this shade right here on my finger, and I am going to apply it here in the inner corner. This is really nice. This shade is actually really nice. I'm gonna apply it here as well. And I think for the shimmer shades, the finger is the best applicator you have. Okay, so that's the makeup done. I'm gonna keep it close for now so you can see it. It's not bad at all. I mean, the eye makeup is really soft, it's really cute. The colors are actually like nice. Not my favorite. You definitely need to work hard with them. But yeah, I'm not sure about the blush though. Like, look at this situation here. Okay, so that was this video. I'm not exactly as excited as I was for the last box. I don't know why, it's probably because I was expecting more from the makeup products, but that's me. If you have this box and if you tried one of these products, please let me know if you actually like them, and if, I don't know, if you like the box in general. There's nothing wrong with the other products, because I really like the eye cream and I really like the cleanser, so I will definitely keep using this. I can't wait to try this. Oh, anyways, I can't wait to try this. The next time I'm gonna have a bath, I'm gonna definitely try it. The blush, as I said, I find it really hard to apply. I think it dries really quick, but maybe it is because I'm applying it with a sponge. And the palette, I don't mind it. As I said, I like the makeup. I like the way it turned out. I think it has really cute eyeshadows. It's good for traveling. It's good for, you know, if you want just one eyeshadow, literally, like you can use your fingers. But I think it's like really small for £25. You definitely have, like, look, this is my finger and that's the eyeshadow. And yeah, not my favorite colors. I'm gonna swatch all of them so you can see. When you swatch them, the pigmentation is not that bad. So that's dark brown shade. Then you have this that you can't even see properly. This is a matte shade. It is a bit lilac-y, I don't even know. This is the shimmer I have on my eyelid, which I actually like, and this is the other shimmer that's more pink. So out of all of them, the dark brown is the most pigmented one. So yeah, that was this video. Let me know if you have the box and let me know if you enjoy it. I still think it is a really amazing thing what they're doing for almost £12. You're getting prices around like 50, sometimes probably even more. But yeah, I think like it's a hit and miss, because I have 3 products, 2 that I actually really like, 1 that I'm gonna try, but I can't see why I'm not gonna like the salt bath, bath salt. And I think I'm comparing it to the last box, so I think that's why I'm a bit disappointed, because the last box was amazing in my opinion. So yeah, just let me know if you have it, if you're planning to subscribe to their service, and what you think about this month one. And I'll see you next time with a makeup tutorial, so bye bye. And I'm sorry if I'm in and out of focus, but I just, yeah.